Geobyte.
Hi friends, welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss the solutions for previous questions which were asked in different competitive exams. Dear friends, these are all the questions coming under general knowledge, particularly for the rivers and lakes of India. Dear friends, since the each and every problem is equally important in this video, my request is you please watch till the end of this video. Let us start the very first question. Look at the very first one asked in 2015 for IAS and 2017 for SSC like this. National water animal of India is option A crocodile, option B turtle, option C alligator, option D dolphin. The correct answer is option D dolphin. Similarly, let us move to the second one. Look at the second one asked in 2015 for BSSC like this. Ganga Brahmaputra Delta Forest is known as option A monsoon forest, option B rainforest, option C deciduous forest, option D Sundarbans. The correct answer is option D Sundarbans. Let us move to the next one. The third one asked in 2012 for CDS like this. Surface water resources are highest in option A Ganga Plains, option B northeastern India, option C peninsular India, option D Indus Plains. The correct answer is option A Ganga Plains. Similarly, look at the fourth question. It was asked in 2017 for IAS exam like this. If you want to see gharials in their natural habitat, which one of the following is the best place to visit? Option A Pittarkanika mangroves, option B Chambal River, option C Pulicat Lake, option D Deeper Beel. Dear friends, remember along the India we can find the gharials in Chambal River, Girva River, and Sun River. Similarly, along the Nepal, you can find that gharials along the Narayani River. So anyhow, in India, the gharials can found along the Chambal River. Therefore, option B is absolutely correct. Similarly, let us move to the fifth one. Look at the fifth question asked in 2017 for SSC exam like this. Flood can be prevented. Option A by making slope on land. Option B by removing the water cover. Option C cutting off forest. Option D by making a dam on the rivers and planting trees. Dear friends, option D is absolutely correct. The flood effect can be controlled by making or arranging the dams across the rivers and planting the trees, number of trees. Similarly, the next one is, it is asked in 2018 for MPPSC exam. Since the each and every question is already asked in different competitive exams, you can treat the all problems are equally important. It is given like this. The second largest river, the second largest river basin of India is option A, Mahanandi Basin, option B, Narmada Basin, option C, Godavari Basin, option D, Kaveri Basin. The correct answer is Godavari Basin, option C. Similarly, look at the seventh one, asked in 2018 for MPPSC exam like this. Which one of the following rivers does not join River Chambal? Option A, Kshipra, option B, Kali Sindh, option C, Betwa, option D, Parvati. The correct answer is option C, Betwa. Similarly, the next one is, look at the eighth one, asked in 2019 for CDS exam. Which one of the following river valleys of India is under the influence of gully erosion? Option A, Kosi, option B, Chambal, option C, Damodar, option D, Brahmaputra. The correct answer is option B, Chambal. Similarly, the next one is, look at the ninth one, asked in 2017 for SSC exam like this. The northern plain of India has been formed by the dash of the three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga, and the dash. Option A, Brahmaputra, option B, Krishna, option C, Kaveri, option D, Mahanandi. The correct answer is option A, Brahmaputra. Now let us move to the next one. Look at the 10th one, asked in 2017 for SSC exam. Which of the following rivers flows from India to Pakistan? Option A, Satluj, option B, Ghagra, option C, Betwa, option D, Tapi. The correct answer is option A, Satluj. Now let us move to the 11th one. The 11th one asked in 2017 for NDA exam and 2015 for SSC exam. It was asked twice like this. Which one of the following Himalayan rivers does not originate from across the Himalayas? Option A, Indus, option B, Satluj, option C, Ganga, option D, Brahmaputra. The correct answer is option C, Ganga. Similarly, the next one is, look at the 12th one, asked in 2017 for NDA exam like this. Rudraprayag is situated at the confluence of rivers Alakananda and option A, Bhagirathi, Option B, Mandakini. Option C, Nandakini. Option D, Dhauliganga. The correct answer is option B, Mandakini. Now the next one is, look at the 13th one, asked in 2017 for NDA exam like this. Which one of the following pairs of rivers and tributaries is not correctly matched? Option A, Godavari, Indravati, it is correctly matched. Option B, Ganga, Penganga, it is not correctly matched because the tributes of Ganga are Gomati river, let me write it clearly, Ghagra river, Gandaki river, and Kosi river. These are the tributaries of the Ganga river. Anyhow, it is not correctly matched. Look at the option C. Krishna, Bhima, correctly matched. Option D. Luni, Sukri, it is also correctly matched. Since it is asked which pair is not correctly matched, our option must be option B, Ganga, Penganga. I hope you clearly understood. Similarly, let us move to the next one. 14th one, asked in 2018 for RRB exam like this. On the banks of which river is Jabalpur situated? Option A, Betwa. Option B, Chambal. Option C, Yamuna. Option D, Narmada. The correct answer is option D, Narmada. Now let us take the another one. 15th one, asked like this. The active delta of Ganga in India lies here. Option A, Nadia, North 24, Parganas and Howrah. Option B, Sundarbans. Option C, North 24 Parganas and South 24 Parganas. Option D, Medinipur East and Howrah. The correct answer is option C, North 24 Parganas and South 24 Parganas. Next question is, look at the 16th one, asked in 2016 for SSC exam like this. Jog Falls in Karnataka is located over which river? Option A, Kaveri. Option B, Godavari. Option C, Saraswati. Option D, Krishna. The correct answer is option C, Saraswati. Similarly, let us move to the 17th question. Look at the 17th one. Asked twice, 2018 for NDA and 2019 for SSC exam. Like this. Majuli, the river island, is located in which one of the following rivers? Option A, Jamuna. Option B, Brahmaputra. Option C, Ganga. Option D, Padma. The correct answer is option B, Brahmaputra. Similarly, the next one is, look at the 18th one. Chilka Lake is a, option A, saltwater lake. Option B, freshwater lake. Option C, freshwater lake in the monsoon season. Option D, saltwater lake in the summer season. The correct answer is The Chilka Lake is a saltwater lake. Therefore, option A is absolutely correct. Now, let us move to the 19th one. Look at the 19th one asked in 2018 for BPSC exam like this. Which one of the following rivers joins the Ganga at Fatuha? Option A, Sun. Option B, Panpan. Option C, Sekri. Option D, Balan. Option E, none or more than one of the above. The correct answer is option B, Panpan. Let us move to the last question. The last one is asked in 2018 for IAS exam like this. Which one of the following is an artificial lake? Option A, Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Kolleru, Andhra Pradesh. Option C, Nainital, Uttarakhand. Option D, Renuka, Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option A, Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu. Dear friends, with this I am concluding this video. In the next video, I will discuss some more questions which were already given in different competitive exams. Dear friends, all the questions which were discussed in this video were already asked in different competitive exams. Each and every problem is equally important. Therefore, my request is you please go through the all questions once again, because there is a possibility to ask the same question in other competitive exams. Anyhow, thank you very much. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.